Welcome today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold the application and drag it to the another application, and as can you see, we got the new folder right now on our screen. And just to add one more application to this folder by the same way, just hold for a while and drag it here to the folder. If you want, we can just rename the folder. Just tap here on the name and, for example, type the apps. Now just tap to OK, and as can you see, we just rename the folder. Also, we can move this folder here on the screen or also between the screens by this way. Just hold for a while and move to the position where you want to just put the folder. If you want to just remove the application from the app, just hold for a while and drag it to the screen, or also just hold for a while and tap here to the remove. And as can you see, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.